So pretty simple, right? It's all about delaying your entry order here. In this case, it's a market entry, and just delaying that order by X number of seconds, right, after the candle opens. So more precisely, it's actually going to be, it is going to be when the candle opens. Yeah. So, all right. So let's get BlackBird open here. So I'm on a 30-second chart. Yeah, I don't want to have to wait, an entire minute here. So I'm going to compress all the time periods here. All right, so let's get started with a market entry, and we're going to open up the entry order there, and to delay, right, to put a secondary requirement or prerequisite on your entry order, that is what the place option is for. So we're going to open up this menu here, and we can go straight to the interval, which used to be called delay, but it does more than just include a delay. So we kind of changed the name there a while back, and so we have basically time-based delays here. We have market movement-based delays here, right? And then of course you could just count number of bars. So we're interested in seconds, and so let's see. I'm on a 30-second chart here, so let's just do 7 seconds. Right, there we go. That ought to do it, like so. And also, just for good measure, I'm also going to add some bloodhound signals. So that way, right, we can get bloodhound to fire off a signal as soon as the bar closes. And that way I'm not trying to time things, by manually clicking the buttons here. All right, so I'm just going to load up my infamous crossover 2 test template here that just has a bunch of random junk in it. And here we go. I want the price inflection with the MACD filter. That ought to work good. And click OK. Let BlackBird chew on that for a moment. And then we'll reload the chart and get Bloodhound loaded up here. And, all right, and let me switch the logic template to, there it is. There we go. There's our signals. And let's enable the auto trader. And well, shoot, we just missed a signal, unfortunately. All right, so we got a bit of a wait here. All right. In order to get a short signal again, we need at least one up bar. All right, there we go. We have an up bar. So now as soon as we get a down bar, we'll get a signal. Bar coming. There we go. So at about 23 seconds, we should see an entry order. Bingo. There we go. All right. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So again, to delay this, we just use the place option, right, for our entry order, and we're using the interval trigger here, right? Out of all these triggers, we're using the interval one, and just select the time-based, right? So we have bar-based, time-based, and the third option is basically market movements based. Just put in whatever your delay is, and there you go.